wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, my name is Muntaha Suryanugroho. I'm from SMK PAKUSARI and I am student of Management Business. In this opportunity, I would like to show you how to make a display. Some tools that we have for display are gondola. This place is used for food, snack, and drinks. And this is wagon, mannequin, this stand, and this cosmetic cell. Okay viewers, now I will tell you how to make a display. One thing you should know, it must be a customer at first glance. First, decide that the base product is only kinds of product and varieties. Second, put each product on gondola based on the brand, netto, and variants. Put the light product on the top and put under the hyper product, and also put the more expensive product on the top and the cheaper is under. Place product in artistic. Don't use small product, clean and form, and spirit one product with the other product that have strong smell, just as well. While around the table, staff arrive to answer the customer will be able to move freely in the area. Okay viewers, that's the ways to make display. I hope this information will be useful for you. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye.